Welcome students. Class 8 History second chapter Rise of English East India Company. Before I starting, I am telling that why did all European countries want to come India? Why did they fight each other? And how British emerged victorious among them? Students, first I am telling that why did all European countries want to come India? Because the fine quality of cotton and silk produced in India during the time had a big market in Europe, so that all European countries wanted to come India. Why did they fight each other? Then all European country wanted to come India. Why did they fight each other? Because of the problem was that all the companies were interested in buying the same thing, so that they fought each other. Third, how British emerged victorious among them. Let's start with it in this chapter. In search of sea route toward the east, several people from the western country like British, French, Dutch, Portuguese started sea voyages. They naturally become rivals of each other in the struggle for the power. They naturally become rivals, mean competed each other because of they always try to buy same things. Among them, Britain emerged victorious. You know, but Vasco da Gama, everyone know about Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama, Portuguese sailor, first discover of sea route to India. You know that this the route is here. I will show through a map. Here is Europe continent. Vasco da Gama first 1498 came to here, Cape of Good Hope. Here is Africa continent. Here is South Africa. It is a country of African continent. Cape of Good Hope, lower part of African continent. It is a city. Then first reached here. Then went to India. They reached in India 1498 Kozhikode. That means Calicut. That name has been changed. Calicut name, that name has been changed. Kozhikode, that is located in Kerala. Then second come to Dutch 1604. Third come to English 1608. Fourth came to Denmark 1619. Eventually came France 1667. All European country came to the time. They naturally become rival each other in the struggle for the power. Among them, Britain emerged victorious and transferred itself from a trading company. Britain ruled more than 200 years. The English East India Company was formed in 1600 with a charter from Queen Elizabeth. You know that English East India Company was a private company. It was started. It established in England. During the time Queen Elizabeth was queen. During the time they ordered granting the sole of right to carry trade in the East. This means that this according to order, no other trading group in England could compete with East India Company. The English established their settlement at factory at Machilipatnam, Patna, Dhaka. First of all, students, you know that first came to Portuguese 1498. Second came to Dutch. Third came to English. English came to 1608. 1600. Fourth came to Denmark. Fifth came to France 1667. But English East India Company was formed 1600, but they came to India 1608 and started. They set up their trading company at Machilipatnam. You know that Machilipatnam is south of Andhra Pradesh, south of India. 1618 they British opened their first factory. You know that. Then Calicut in Gobindpur also it is also. Then first company they set up Machilipatnam. Second company is Surat 1612. Third company 1633 Balesar, 1639 Madras, etc. Privileged British Gujarat Deccan, but before the East India Company could establish itself in India, before Portuguese had already conquered Goa and started expanding their commercial political power in western coast of India. The Dutch too had started establishing the trading factories. I have already told you that first came to Portuguese, second came to Dutch, third came to English, fourth came to Denmark, fifth came to French,